People like when other people care.
Yeah. That's exactly what it is. And of course, there's the more sexy things like all the emojis and the stickers, the gifts. Many of those are just, they're little like art pieces.
That's again an intersection of art and technology. Because if you look at the stickers, which Telegram launched way before most of these other apps,
3 years and 8 months ahead.
ahead of
Yeah.
WhatsApp, yes. But the stickers that WhatsApp ended up launching 3 years and 8 months after were not the first version was not really good because they just did regular GIFs or WebM videos, which were not based on vector graphics. What we did is vector animations. Each of these stickers is only several kilobytes, sometimes maybe maximum 20, 30 kilobytes in size, but it says 180 frames. We were able to run them at 60 frames per second on all devices. And it's also very challenging. It was a challenging thing to do. We had so much headache trying to make it work. Nobody even tried to do anything like this before us because it's crazily difficult. But as a result, you have these fluid animations. You have this really nice user experience. Somebody sends you a sticker, you don't have to wait for it to load because it's so lightweight. And it starts moving instantly. And then, of course, it's not just engineering. You have to find designers that are able to create these stickers using vector graphics, which means they're based on curves described by formulas, not just created as photographs with pixels. Where do you find these people? Again, we did competitions, but it was not easy to assemble a team of artists slash engineers, I would say, that are able to do something like this. This is a unique form of art. And this allowed us to do a revolution in stickers, then another revolution in animated emoji that you can add into messages, custom animated emoji. I don't think anybody did that. I think Telegram is still the only one allowing users to do that because you can include 100 of animated emoji in a message and they will be animated and they will be moving and your device won't crash. It's probably unnecessary and crazy, but we think somewhere in this intersection of art and engineering, true quality is created. And then, of course, more recently, we expanded into what we call Telegram gifts, which are essentially blockchain-based collectibles that you can demonstrate on your Telegram profile so that they get social relevance, but you can also use them to congratulate your friends and close one with their birthdays and other holidays. And that was received extremely well.
Yeah, they can hold value, they can increase in value, you could trade them for that in that aspect. But to me, still the the vector graphics, and it's not just simple graphics; it's incredibly intricate graphics. So the vector makes it very efficient, but it also allows you to create. Maybe incentivizes the artist, enables them, incentivizes them to create super detailed, intricate elements. And then the final result, like you would think it wouldn't matter, but the final result has like a lot of stuff going on. And it allows you to scale on arbitrary devices. And now it's like this little, like usually GIFs from like back in the day and still in meme form are low resolution. And so that usually people don't put details and intricate art into it. But here with vector graphics, it's like a million things going on. And it allows you to play with different animations. Like you showed me this thing where you send and you hold for a while on the send button. And so you can share with the person you send a message to this animation that you've encoded. Like there's a bunch of stuff going on when they read the message.
Yes, we have a lot of features like that when we use this art to allow people to express themselves. And most people don't even know about these features.
I didn't know about it. That was cool.
The other application of the same technology is reactions on Telegram, because we made it a goal to make sure that people feel joy when they just send you a like. Something so trivial as just adding a like to a message should be an action that you want to perform again and again and again.